Hello everybody. I'm still not well. I have the flu, but I wanted to do an unboxing of this Barbie doll that has caused a lot of controversy. It's the Down syndrome Barbie, one of them. There is also another one right now. But I think she's very beautiful, and the controversy is that she doesn't look enough like a person with Down syndrome. But as we know, all people with Down syndrome look different. But well, my child has a friend with Down syndrome, and I asked him, what do you think about this Barbie that is supposed to look like someone with Down syndrome from the National Down Syndrome Society? And he said, why didn't they make the Barbie look like a person with Down syndrome? So I'm sorry, I get a bit teary because of personal reasons. I'm sorry. But I still think she's very beautiful. I get a bit emotional because of some personal people, children especially, but also people with special needs are very important to me. And so that's why this doll is also in a way important to me, because it is very important to make children with different disabilities or conditions, or yes, different chromosomes or genetics, to also feel included in the world. So I really do hope that, well, I know that myself, I really do hope that children who maybe have Down syndrome and gets this doll, that they will feel that it looks more like a person with Down syndrome than a regular Barbie, which it to me does. But also I understand that maybe in Barbie measures, she looks more like a normal girl than Barbie does, so to say. But in the Barbie world, maybe. I'm sorry, I'm not well today. She is very beautiful and she's very cute, and this dress is supposed to symbolize, the butterflies are supposed to symbolize the Down syndrome society. I'm sorry, I don't know what's wrong with me. I can't post this one. I'm sorry. But well, the feet are, you know, when you have Down syndrome, you usually have a problem with very flat feet. So I suppose that these are for like special, so it will be like special support for the feet. The butterflies symbolizes the Down syndrome society in many places. Not so much in Sweden. We don't have that. We have the rock the socks thing. That is that one day, I think it's in March, you have different kind of socks to it's called rocka sockorna in Swedish. It's supposed to symbolize that different is good as well. So I am happy actually that Barbie made this beautiful Down syndrome doll, and I hope I will be in better shape next time I do a video, because today wasn't a great day. Sorry. Okay, thank you so much for watching. What do you think of her? And be nice to me, because today wasn't my day. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.